Hello, welcome back. This is video number 3 of my Drop Servicing 101 course. In this video, we're going to launch our website on the internet. We're going to be registering our website name. After that, we'll get our hosting. In the olden days, before you could launch a website on the internet, you need to get your domain name from a different provider or different company, get your hosting from another company, and then bring them together by connecting the DNS or the name service. But fast forward, technology has grown to a point where you can get everything from one provider, making your work a lot easier. And because of that, you don't need any deep technical knowledge or know-how to do this. So we're going to register our name called domain name, and we're going to also need a place to keep our website files called web hosting. So you see all these files are stored inside a place called, or a computer called, hosting provider. And the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on the hosting provider you choose. Okay, so that's also very important, and that's why I always recommend Makigo Host, because I've tested it myself, I've used it myself, I've used it for my clients. If I get a client today, that's where I'm going to be hosting my clients' websites, because I know the ins and outs of Makigo Host. All right, and I'm also telling you it's good. All right, so in the description of this video, there's a coupon code TUB50. I'm giving you 50% off, and it's a partnership with Makigo Host to give my clients 50% off. So when you click on the link, it will take you to Makigo Host. It will take you to makigohost.com. So it will take you to a page just like this. All right. Okay. So what we need to do is to order their shared hosting plan. So you scroll down and read more about Makigo Host, and then go. When you see shared hosting, you click on it, order hosting. So you click on it. Okay. And this is Makigo Host shared hosting plan or page. You can scroll down, you can also read more about them. And when you get here, you can see Go Basic plan, Standard plan, and Go Unlimited plan. With the Go Basic plan, you'll be able to host one website. And because we are going to build all this website, we need the Go Basic plan. And you have 20 GB SSD storage, which is enough for you. So the Go Basic plan is okay. But in future, if you have different business you want to build or website you want to build, then you can upgrade to Go Standard. And that is why Makigo Host is good, because it's scalable. You can, as your business grows, you can also upgrade alongside. And you can also get unlimited visitors to your website, and that's bandwidth. Okay, the number of downloads and uploads that's happening on your website is the bandwidth. And you also have unlimited FTP accounts. Maybe if you have different developers working on your website, you can give your FTP details to them to log in and work on your account separately. Okay. So that is also to say that if you are ordering a web hosting that limits the number of FTP accounts, that means you can only have one developer working on your website at a time. And that's why these people give you unlimited FTP. You also have 10 emails, okay, and a business email, of course, not Gmail. All right, because it's your business, you want to provide professional emails. So when they land on your website, they'll be able to contact you through your business email and not Gmail. And they also, that will give them the trust, because they know how serious you are, and you have 10 databases. Because it's a WordPress website, you need one database, but it's 10 database is too much for you, and yeah, it's okay. So you also have free domain. Oh, because you are a new customer, they are giving you a free domain registration for 1 year. All right, okay, and same renewal price. So after you pay this, that means next year you'll be paying the same amount, and 24/7 support, technical support, and a lot. All right, so yeah, you can go ahead and deploy, because I don't want these videos to be hours long. All right, so you click on order now. Okay, so you click on order now, and it will take you to a page like this, and this is domain registration page. This is where you're going to be registering your domain name, just like this. Okay, so that's my domain name. This is what I use for tutorials. You can also register your domain name. So you go back here, and then let's register our domain name. So maybe let's say we want to register drop service drop service. Okay, let's say drop service 2022. So hey, this is for tutorials, do not copy me. Also enter your domain name, okay, because this drop service 2022 does not make sense. I'm only trying to see. So let's even check to see if this domain name is still available for us to register. So you click on check. Let's wait for it. And congratulations, this domain name is still available for registration. It has not been taken. Okay, so you can register your domain name. Okay, so yeah, you can claim ownership of it. All right, so this is the domain name I'm going to register. I'm going to show you how to also register. So you can click on continue. So continue, and it gets brought us to a page just like this, and that is your config page, and that's where you review your package, and that's go basic. Congrats, and you can host one website. So this is just the package, and below here you can see, you see that from $2 is now $58, and this is the reason. You are paying for 12 mems 1 full year. Okay, all right, so you're committing, you are with them, sticking with them for 1 year. All right, you can also increase if you don't want to have problems with them, or you want to go long term. You can go 2 years, you can also go 3 years. All right, but for now 1 year is okay. Okay, and that's why you're seeing this price from $2 to this. All right, so I mean $2.99 to this. So now we're going to, and you see there are some available add-ons here. They can integrate your website, integrate Google Analytics for you, so you'll be checking your website to see where the traffic is coming from, how many sales you have made, and a lot more. All right, so that's good. They can also protect your WordPress website from hackers. You know, most WordPress websites get hacked because of poor management. If you want them to protect it for you, they can do that for you. They can also verify and put your website on Google. Okay, after you build this website, it will not be on Google just like that. Even you see my website right now, if you search it, look for it on Google, you will not get it because I have not submitted this on Google. So you have to also do that. If you cannot do that, they can do that for you. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. So you click on continue, and this is domain configuration page. It's a review of your domain name. See, let's read it. Please review your domain name selection and any available add-ons that are available for them. Okay, so you see this is a review. So your domain name is here, congrats. There's hosting, you can see has hosting, congrats. And there are 3 additional add-ons or available add-ons for your domain name: DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding. Please, this ID protection is very important, but if you don't have the money, forget about it. Now let me explain how important ID protection is for your business. After you register this name, your domain name, your data is going straight into Whois database. It just happens. Okay, I don't know how it happens, I don't know why it happens, but it happens. So after this data is entered into Whois database, marketers, spammers, different or sort of people go into Whois database and search for your details. They will then use that details and start spamming you. Okay, but if you mark this, you are safe. So you can add it to cart here. Just click add to cart, or you forget about it and then continue. Okay, so continue. All right, and here we are on review and checkout page. This is where you review your items in your cart. Go basic, domain registration, you can see $0. You are not paying for domain name, and this is the price you're going to be paying every year for your hosting. 48.87. This is what you're going to be paying. Okay, but for now you are paying this because of the free domain name. Okay, but to make it juicy, I am giving you 50% off, and because I've partnered with Host to use the code to give to my viewers just like you, if you type TUP50, you will get 50% off. Okay, so go ahead and type TUP50 and then click on validate code. And congrats, from 35.88 you are now paying 17.94. okay, and yeah, that's it. So you can click on checkout. Okay, so you click on checkout, and here you enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, country, your zip, social security number. I'm kidding, no place for social security number. Do not provide your social security number if they ask for it. Oh, okay, so your zip code, your postcode, your city, and then you come here and choose your password. And for security reasons, you can also always use this password generator. So you click on generate password and it will give you a strong password. You can also increase its length. If you want your password to be 22 characters long, you can also do that, and you can also click on generate new password, and you can see the length has increased. So that's a password generator. I always recommend that, to use a password generator. And you can click on copy to clipboard and insert. So click on it, but make sure you insert this password into your notepad so that you will not forget. Even if you forget of your password, don't worry, because you can always reset for a new password. And after that, you choose your payment, your preferred payment methods in order to make payment. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, other crypto currencies, you can also choose that here. So here, if you have credit card here, also you can also pay with credit card here and here. But this one is a good fit for, or a good option for my African friends, especially Ghanaians, because payment in Ghana is challenging and they have integrated this for them. So okay, for us, I'm also in Ghana, so I can make payment If you also have PayPal, you can also select that here and make payment with PayPal, because PayPal is supported with this payment option. Then after that, you can also join their newsletter here by saying yes to it or no. And after that, you accept the terms of service. And after you accept the terms of service, you click on complete order. All right. So I'm going to complete an order and meet you on the flip side, the dashboard. So that means after you complete order, it will take you straight to the dashboard, and then you configure everything. So I'll see you in the dashboard. Hello, welcome back. This is your client area. So after making payment, you will get a dashboard just like this. And you see here inside your dashboard, you will see something like service 1 and domain name 1. Okay, just forget about my dashboard, because my dashboard is for tutorial purpose, but I'm telling you what you will see right now. And here you see your shared hosting plan to be Go Basic, because you ordered Go Basic plan. All right, and you also see your domain name here. You can see that. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the dashboard so you get familiar with your dashboard. So immediately you see something like this, you can click on services, and when you click on services, it will take you to a place where you can be able to go to your cPanel, and I'll be talking about that just in a minute. All right, and here you can also update your details if you want to change any details you have, or any mistake you've made, or you want to just change your name or things. You can also change that here. Okay, you can also order other services here, and you can also log out here. Okay, you can also join their affiliate program if you wish. All right, so for now we're going to click on services, and I'll show you something. So you click on services. Sorry for my slow internet connection. Okay, and here you can see your standard plan, or your Go Basic plan, and your pricing, what you are going to be paying every year for. You can see active here, and then after you click on that, then you click on your package. So you click on standard. Okay, so you continue, you click again. Today I'm not using my router, and that's why I have a poor connection today. So after you click on that, you click on log into cPanel. So you click on it, log into cPanel. Just wait for it. So log into cPanel. It's taking us to cPanel, and cPanel is where you control everything about your hosting accounts. I mean your website. Okay, and you can see the first one is emails, Jet backup. This one talks about backups, billing and support, file